Hey there, welcome to UncleNeon demo video. I'm super excited to show you what we have got for you today. So this is UncleNeon login URL page. You need to log in with your own credentials. Okay, once you're logged in, you'll see similar kind of dashboard. And what you need to do is just create a new project. Just click here and give a project name. Okay, for example, Roche Neon Demo, right? So just do it, and then we need to upload a video. Here's the UncleNeon, one of the video app. I already have it. So this video is about 10 seconds video. Here you can check the time durations as well. For example, if you want from 3 seconds to 10 seconds video, you can select it from here. Okay, that totally depends, but I'm going to keep as it is 10 seconds video. Then you need to just click trim and upload. Just do it. If you have a longer video, then you can always do it, but if you have a shorter video, you directly upload it from the right hand option as well, right? Now the split process is going on. This will take a little time, like few seconds, but that's fine because it will be up in any time. So once we get the split videos, we can start our further work. Alright, so here we have got the video. We need to open this project. Okay, once we open this project, we can see there are two different videos. Okay, basically these videos are sub projects. You can see part 0 and part 1. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to edit this video. Okay, the first one I have opened this. Now we can see here the dashboard and the timeline. Also we can see here, so these are the frames. Basically you can see the number here, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, 4, the numbers you can see here, and the frame 1 is already here, right? So here there are two different options. Okay, one is super easy. You can create the video with the are done for you templates, neon templates we have given here, and you just apply those effects and render the video. The most one of the simplest way you can do it. Or else what you can do is there's another option like little bit advanced, where you can draw your own animation, scribble your video, and you can do that way as well, right? So first what we can do is let's go with the first option. For example, this is the template. Okay, we want to apply some of the effects here. Now we have some done for you templates here. You just click on, you can see some of the animations. These are the done for you animation. These are the shapes. Okay, you can always check it. Okay, I want to apply this one, so just click on this template, pick this template and select. Okay, so now this is the template. We need to customize it. Okay, what I can do is I can increase it or decrease it. That's totally customizable. I want to like little bit bigger template here. Okay, and what I need to do is just double click on this template, and you can see this template, the frame is from 1 to 18 frame. Basically this animation has total 18 frames. That totally depends how many frames you want this effects. For example, you want just only for 15 frames, you don't want all the 18 frames, you always can do it. Okay, if you want 10 frames, you always can do it, but I'll just keep it 18 frames itself here. Okay, and the line color, just leave as it is white. You always can do it, you can customize it, but I suggest you to keep it white because it gives you more glowing effects, right? And the shadow color, you always can change it. For example, if you want something like green color or pink or blue, whatever color you want, you can always do it here. And then this is the preview effect, like shadow width. We can increase or decrease. You can see when you're increasing the width, you can see here as well, it is applying here, but I'll just keep it 100 here. Okay, and this is the shadow intensity. When you increase the shadow intensity, you can see the intensity increasing here as well, but the more intensity, it is not the good, so try to keep it the lower one. Okay, I'll just keep it like 5. It looks always good. And what I can do is just apply the button. Okay, now check this one. You can see here as well, the template is applying from the backend itself. okay, to the all frames. But don't worry, it is not applying to all 150 frames. It just says here this will be applied to only 18 frames. Okay, awesome. Now check this one. You can check here in the timeline the effects. It looks pretty good, right? You always can pick more effects from here. If you want to apply more templates, you always can pick it from here and apply to different frames. Okay, once you are done, you can render the video. Okay, that is one of the way. But if you want something more, for example, you want something different, some more advanced thing, you want to apply it, like more customizable things, you can do it, you want to do it, what you can do is just click on any frame. For example, if you want to work on this frame, 17th frame, right, just click on the 17th frame and just go here. This is the drawing mode. Okay, this is the advanced editor here. Just click on the drawing mode. Okay, and with the drawing mode you can create your customizable scribble on the videos. Okay, here you can pick the color. For example, you want something like this color. Okay, and here's the line width. You can increase the line width. Okay, and here's the glow width. Basically, if you want like more like glowing effects more, if you want this, so you always can increase or decrease this one. Okay, but I'm gonna just keep it 12, and this one I want yeah, 10 is like fine still. Let's draw it. For example, I want to draw something from here. Now check this. Okay, if I just decrease this one, this will be a little thinner. Okay, this is how you can do it, little thinner. This is always it totally depends how you are going to draw it. And you want to draw something here. For example, you want something like little thicker, you always can go and do this way as well. Okay, this is totally depends, and you can change the color as well. This is the style. For example, if you want circle, spray pattern, or diamond, you always can pick from here as well. But the most one we use it is just like the pencil one, that's this one. But again, it totally depends on projects to projects. Okay, if you feel free to use all these options if you want, like this way. And what we can do, just save it. Okay, just save it, and let's go here to the next frame. For example, on the 18th frame, I want to draw this is the basically your helping shadow. The last you have basically the you just did the drawing last part. Okay, you always can do it. You always can clear this part as well. For example, you don't want those helping to tips here, you just clear it and you can start drawing it. And you want just little lesser, like not that thicker, you always can go here and just start drawing like this way. Okay, feel free to draw as per your requirement, and but don't draw everything at one frame. Okay, draw it frame by frame, because that is what will give you actually the more advanced thing. Okay, if you draw everything one frame, that won't look good, because that won't give you the effect. Okay, just save it. So you have to do it frame by frame. Whatever you want to draw, whatever effect you want to create, just do it frame by frame. Now here example, if you want to copy something, okay, if you want to copy one of the object, what you can do is you just draw it this. Okay, don't save it. Okay, before saving it, what you can do is just switch off the drawing mode off. Okay, select the object, or you can select the multiple object as well, just like this. Okay, and this way, and just click the copy button, right, and then you can save it. Then go here, the 20th frame, and what you can do is just paste. What you can do is paste on the current frame, or you can select to how many frames you want, that the same object, that same animation you want to apply, you always can do that one as well. Okay? I suggest you to do it frame by frame, because the frame by frame only gives you the more advanced way and more smoothing effects. Okay, so and this is the copy paste, you always can do it, or this is the just save it. Okay, and then if you want something else, for example on the frame 21 you want to create something else, you always can do it. Just I don't want this, just go here, and I don't want this effect. What I can do is I can just again just switch on this drawing mode on, and again you draw it. Okay, that again you draw it from here, frame by frame. You are just doing it this way. Okay, and you want to draw from here this way. You can do this way as well. This is again frame by frame you're drawing it. Okay, and just save it. Now I want to add more animations. What I can do is I want to animation like this animation. This is just the demo. Okay, just pick this one and just switch it off. Always make sure whenever you are using template, you are picking a template, just switch off this drawing mode off. Okay, so that you can customize this templates. And I want this like little yellowish one, and the frame is 14 frame is fine, and just apply. Okay, all right, so here you can see the effect here. Let's go to the preview. Okay, now you want to see what exactly you have done so far with your video. Here is the live preview option. Okay, in the live preview option we have different dimensions you always can pick it from. For example, let's go to the YouTube. Okay, we want to create a preview for the YouTube dimensions. Let's see how this will look like. All right, so here we have the preview here. Now check this one. You check this. This is how easy it is. So we have just done it for the frames of 30 frames itself. Now we want more frames. Just click on the plus icon. This will fetch more frames here. You always can pick more templates, or you can draw it as you wish according to your need. You always can do it. Okay, here we have some more options as well. For example, this is the add text. Okay, so when you click on the add text, you always can add the text as well. For example, this is the party. Okay, you just click on the party button, and you see here this one of the text. Okay, for example, you want to write something, you just always can write here anything. Okay, and I don't want this, I don't want this one, I just want this. And this is the I want to change the text family here. I can do this way as well. Okay, now check this one. Okay, and I can even what I can do is I can just double click on this, and I can change the color as well from here, right? But here I don't want, I just don't need it. And here this is the emoji options. When you click, you can pick any emoji as you wish according to your project. Once you are done with this everything, just save it and you're ready to submit. But now if you want to remove one of the animation, you just don't want to this animation, what you can do, you can go here in the revert option, just click on the revert options. Okay, and you want to revert this animation you don't want, or this animation you don't want, whatever you don't need it, you just go here and just revert this file. Okay, that was the animation, that was the drawing we have done here. It is all done, right? Well, now you are ready. What you can do is just go here and just submit the button, just click on the submit button. Okay, similarly we have to do it with the other part. This was the one part, video, sub part we have done it, you have to do it with the other part as well. There were two different parts in the video, right? You have to do it. So once you are done, you're ready to render the video. Okay, this is how you always can do it. All right, so scene changes saved. Okay, now just click on the click button and let's see how the final video looks like. Okay, so this was the one of the part of the video we edited, right? And this video, similarly as we did it with this one, you need to edit this part as well. Okay, once you are ready with the both of the parts, what you can do is you can just simply click on the render button, video, which format you want. For example, like YouTube, just select it and just leave like this. So render is in progress. We will email you once it's complete. So you can leave your video because you'll get a notification in your email, or otherwise you can always check, like it will take 5 minutes or like less than 5 minutes. It totally depends the length of the video, but that's fine. You always can check here. Okay, but in the meanwhile, I want to show you something, because this was the demo video. Let me show you what you can do with the video here, with the UncleNeon itself. See, this is the one of the project. Let me just open it for you. Check this one. So this video, it has like 4 different sub parts. Okay, so I have edited all of them frame by frame. Okay, let me just show you one of the frame how I did it. Check this one. This is the one of the project I have created with UncleNeon itself. So everything, here's the drawing and the effects and everything you can see here from the UncleNeon itself. Okay, so this video has 4 different parts, which I have created it, and let me just show you the final video. The video, all the effects, I have created it with the UncleNeon itself. So similarly, you also can create all these kind of effects and videos with UncleNeon itself. It just, you need to do it frame by frame and pick the from the template itself. Okay, you can create it easily, all the videos. So this was all in the demo video, guys, and happy creating a lot of glowing videos and animation videos for your projects. All the best.